Two-factor authentication not working on Scotia iTRADE app fix. If you're having trouble with two-factor authentication on the Scotia iTRADE app, don't worry, it's a common issue that's usually easy to fix. Most people think it's a major app error, but the surprising truth is that it's often caused by minor sync or timing issues. First, check your device's time settings. Make sure Set Automatically is turned on in your phone's settings. Two-factor authentication codes are time-sensitive, and even a small difference between your phone and Scotia's servers can cause the code to fail. Next, update your Scotia iTRADE app from your app store. Using an outdated version can create login and security errors, especially after recent updates to the bank's security protocols. Once you've updated, restart the app and try again. If you use an authenticator app such as Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator, open it and use the Sync Time for Codes feature. This simple fix resolves most code mismatches instantly. If your SIM's verification code isn't arriving, try disabling your PIN or switching to mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. Sometimes, network filters block automated text messages from banks. If you've recently switched phones or deleted your Authenticator app, tap Can't Access Two-Factor. On the login page, Scotia iTRADE's support team can verify your identity and help you reset two-factor authentication safely. If all else fails, uninstall and reinstall the Scotia iTRADE app. This resets the app's internal cache and reestablishes a secure connection with Scotia's authentication servers. Once your app, time settings, and security setup are all synced, your two-factor authentication should work smoothly again. This feature may feel like an inconvenience when it fails, but it's one of the strongest defenses keeping your investments and personal data safe from unauthorized access.